We're going to be changing the side marker on a 2007 Jeep Wrangler. Should be the same for 2007 to 2017. Only tools you're going to need is it's going to be your replacement, whatever you go with, and then this pry bar right here. Get into the car, turn the wheel either to the far right or to the far left. We just need more access to this area. Oops, this area right down here. There's a clip. Sorry. Right there. I'm going to pull this off, and then this whole liner should start coming off. Give me a moment. There's this little piece right here. Push it, because we're trying to get this liner off. Should give you enough access now. I'm going to pull that bulb off, pull the harness. So now this is the replacement. Changing that out. There's a little tab. Push this tab right here, but from the inner well, and this should slide right off. Just follow the pattern. I had to pry this little piece off right here for it to break loose enough. It looks like you're gonna have to replace it if you're wanting to keep it on. So it goes on like this. So you have to push this tab in from the inside. This tab right here. The easiest way for me so far is to pull this fender off and then just pull it right out. Reinstall a new one, just be careful so you don't break your new one. There's a tab at this top. Well, mine broke now, but make sure it fits into that little hole. Put your ball back in. Put this little clip back into this wheel well. Okay. Just check everything, make sure it's all lined up. You can replace this if you want. I'm not going to replace it on mine. And that should be it. You can turn on your car, make sure it's working. And that concludes this video. If you like it, make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure to give me a thumbs up. And I will see you on the next one. Thanks.